again, guys, so welcome back, and this is another analysis of my sketches and how I am improving. So I utilised once again good speed and again observational method. Now the observational methods I used purely because I wanted to see if I could actually gauge the layout and the structure, just to see where I am and at that level. Now, considering I've not really warmed up, I think it's not too bad. I'm not overly happy, but I'm not really unhappy with it. There are elements of each one, like this one. The jaw is way off. It's far too sharp and far too angled. It should be further down and curved more smoothly and gently. And number 3 is a kind of combination of number 1 and number 2's jaw. So there are elements of each feature and each sketch that I do actually like. I mean, the actual face of number 1 I do actually like, as well as the jaw, but yeah, there's definitely, like, the eyes, it should be tilted. Same with this one, it should be angled, and the eyes, you shouldn't see it as much like that one. You shouldn't see them as much. So yeah, every day's a learning day, and I am getting there. I know that where I've went wrong. I mean, the two sketches are of the same person, but they don't look the same. And I know where I've went wrong, and that's the whole purpose of these sketches and these practices, is to know where I'm going wrong and actually identify it and create a really quick feedback loop, and also create a more effective learning. So yeah, if you're joining me to gain more skills and gain more effective learning, that's awesome, and I really appreciate you keeping on with my journey, and I shall see you next time.